So guys, I close to being finished, but like I told you guys, I wanted to hang some curtains right here on the top deck. And this is the curtains as I showed you in the previous video. And what I did was I add grommets to the curtain, and let me hung one set of them, and then I will show you what it's looking like. Guys, I am finished now, and this is what the curtains is looking like. I'm gonna put another set like right here, from half of this come down going backwards, and it is hung in very low down. I'm thinking I will have to lift it up a little bit more. I don't want to cut it because I don't know if I'll have to use it in other areas. So let me go ahead and show you how to do the grommets. This is what they're looking like. And just remember, the curtain is wrinkled, so that's why it looks like that. So hey guys, let me lift this up. Hello. So I told you I'm going to show you how I did the grommets. So we're going to do a tiny mini haul, like the smallest haul in the world. So these are the drop cloth that I'm using, and I purchased them from Ollie's for $7.99, and I think I have 6 of them, and it is 4 by 12, 4 feet by 12 feet. I said yards. Forgive me. Then these are the grommets. Let me see. Let me get them close to you. And it is 16 that comes in a pack. And they have metal ones, but I chose the plastic ones because I did not want them to get rust, because I'm putting them outdoors. I did not want them to get rust. Okay, hat, stay. I did not want them to get rust and eventually end up messing up the grommets. And actually, I don't even like grommets, but because for this situation right here, and I don't have my cord to my sewing machine, it is still in storage. So this is what they look like, and it's look like tortoise shell. So now this is a LED light that I purchased for out here. I also purchased another outdoor furniture cover, and this right here is a Peak wine bag, like you could keep something cool in. It was only 99 cents, that's why I got it. Then I bought these mats here, and everything I bought for this summer for this place here is like bright colors. Like, that's where my brain is. That was $2.99, and it's a full pack. And from Ollie's, I got another set. I think I purchased one already, and I purchased another set to make a full set. So it's going to be like 48 pieces I have in this one. So because they come 24, it's 24 in a pack. Listen, I'm gonna have to take this hat off, and you're gonna see what my hair looks like. So this here is a little bag that I purchased, and this is what the bag is, like a compartment bag. And it said innovative living car trunk organizer, but as you know, you could use your stuff for whatever you want to use it for after you bought it. So I thought about this, and I'm going to keep my outdoor entertainment stuff. I'm going to keep it in the second kitchen downstairs. So this is what I'm going to use. Like, I could put plates in here. Let me show you. I could put the plates, the spoons in here, plates in here, and just carry it out here, so I don't have to make a lot of trips. So I was thinking while I was at it. And then I needed a double plug. I got this. Oh, and this was $7.99. This here was $6.60 from Big Lots, and I paid $4 for it. It's like a little extra plug situation going on. So let's go to taking care of the curtains. So gonna open the bad boy up. Open them all up. So how you guys been doing? I mean, this may look tedious, but I haven't been doing that much. I do take breaks, especially when out here, because you see it's like nighttime now. So this is what this is looking like, and I going to line it up on the table. So like I show you, this is how they come in a package. I bought two 16 rolls. I thought it would have been able to do all of them, but it didn't. I don't want to use, I guess I'll use it. I don't have my, give me a second, let me get my marker. So guys, now I am back, and what I'm going to do is, I already figure out for the 4 feet of curtain, for the 4 feet of curtain to the top, I am going to put in 6, because 4 wouldn't be enough. 5 will be off balance. So for 4 feet, I'm going to measure it out with 6, starting from the edge. See, starting like all the way from the edge. This comes with a template on the inside. So let me show you what the template looks like. You could also measure it if you were doing like wider curtains, like more than 4 feet. But you're going to measure it, nevertheless, you're going to measure it for what you are going to do. So let me see if this is, because I want the label for the curtains. I think I want it to the top. So yes, and this is a better edge anyway. So what I'm going to do, you look at it like this, and this is the template that it comes with. It has a skinny side and a thick side. I want the skinny side like all the way up. This is the one that I'm going to use. So I'm going to measure it not all the way, leaving like this much. See, this much from the edge, and this much, line it up right up to the top of it. And then I'm going to use my pen. Why my pen match my outfit? So I'm going to use my pen and just mark in the area. Mark in the area. So when you finish marking, this is the circle that you're going to have. So now what I am going to do is go ahead and just measure them out. Like once I do this, I go ahead and put the rings. You could use a measuring tape, but because I have done this twice already, I kind of get the gist of it all. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw out my circles. Like I said, if you're not comfortable with it, get yourself a measuring tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and line them all up, drawing them out, and then come back and show you the next step. So guys, I decided to just move the table out of the way so I could show you what I'm talking about. So I am going to, let me see, pull it back like this. Still can't see it, right? How about this? Okay, that's good. So this is the top of the curtain, and it is better done on a flat surface. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring some of them in frame, and I'm going to go ahead and draw them out to even it out for you. So I'm just doing like gauging it by eyes. The next one right here, I might have to come in a bit more like this. This one right here. This one right here. So that will give me the 6. So let me use my template now, and they're pretty much even. Like, if you're not sure, please use a measuring tape. But let me go ahead and draw this out and show you. So you're gonna just go ahead and just circle out. That's your 1. Actually, that's your 2. That's the 3, and I'm going to take you in to see it. That's your 4. That's your 4. That's your 5. And that's the 6th of them. So I'm going to take you in now so you could see it. This is what the circle is looking like, and like I said, I used the template to do this. So now let me go ahead now and show you how to cut it now. Myself to fold the fabric from top to bottom. Like I said, the more that you do, you will get, perfect at it, that you could fold the fabric from top to bottom, like where the separation of the dots are. So what I did was I put the fabric like this, and then I make a little cut in the fabric, and then what I did was just use my scissors and just go around, just keep cutting around like this until I get it to cut out of the circle. So I just kept cutting until I got everything out like this. See? And here is the circle. And again, you put, this is your front side. This is your front side. So you put your front side on the pretty side that you want to show your curtains on. You could also make shower curtains or any type of other curtains, and you let this expose. So it's actually a male and a female to this. So then you're going to bring it in like that, and you get it in place, and you just squeeze it down. You squeeze it down, and you're going to hear it click in place. That's when you know it's secure. And look at this. Now you have your grommets curtain, so you could hang them. If my video is not clear enough, you just leave a comment and I will do another demonstration in a more well-lit place. I hope, you know, me being out here in the back, like out in the sunlight, it didn't affect the video. Guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching.